everybody, it's your boy Twinkie, and I got another motovlog for you all today. So, yeah, it looks like this might be the last one for the season. It has been getting pretty chilly, and it's kind of chilly right now. I got my hoodie on underneath my jacket, so it is supposed to get a little bit warmer, but not too much warmer today. And other than that, the rest of the weeks, I don't know. If I can squeeze another one in, I will. If not, I'll see you next season. So today I kind of just decided that I'm going to take a ride down to my work, and I'm going to give Black Betty a good old bath because she needs it and she deserves it. And then there's quite a few back roads on my way to and from work that I'd like to split off onto. Nice last minute turn signal. Ay, ay, ay. Dude, what are you doing? Really? Well, howdy, howdy. Hey, howdy, howdy. Doggy, howdy, howdy. Then she chugged away, chugga, chugga, chugga. Then she chugged away, chugga, chugga, chugga. I gotta say, one of my favorite things about the fall time is all the different colors you see in the trees. And it's still a little early in the fall season here right now, but you can start to see some of those more distinctive colors. Woo! Alright, so Black Betty got a good bath, and she looks much happier now. So that's good. I am currently heading over to Mr. Ryan, and gonna see his new place, and then we're gonna go do some back road riding. Hopefully we can get some pretty good views of some color changing leaves. Another thing I did notice was Black Betty was about half a quart low on oil. Yikes. Yeah, so she's definitely burning it because it's not leaking anywhere. But one of these winters, I'd like to be able to do a complete tear down of the whole bike, the frame, the engine, all that stuff, and just go over everything, replace everything that needs to be replaced, do a rebuild on the engine, all that fun-loving stuff. Alrighty, so we got Mr. Ryan in front of us here, and yeah, we're gonna go hit up the gas station, top off our tanks, and then he's gonna get some coffee to top off his tank. And then we're gonna go hit up some back roads, try to get some nice good camera view of the fall foliage that we got going on so far. I think these are soybeans. I'm not 100% sure, but if Farming Simulator has taught me anything in this life, it's that those look like soybeans. We are all fueled up and ready to rock. So I've never been up this way, but Ryan said he has a few times. Wow, that's a pretty nice view. I like that sign. I liked those twisties.
Yeah. That goes to 897.
Yeah?
And that goes, like, I think it's a vinyl, like, on 897. That goes, like, back to 80.
Alright, well, let's go straight and then hook a right And then see what we can find up off the road that way. Good? You know, I hope Ryan doesn't mind me just barking orders on where we should go. More often than not, he ends up leading me somewhere, so. I know where we're at. Whew. Must be a car show somewhere. Huh, wonder where they're going. I'm gonna go that way. We're on 897 right now. This is the road I take to and from work pretty much every day. Oh, well, howdy, howdy. We're gonna pop a right up here and see where this road will take us. That's going to be a really awesome view in about 2 weeks or so. Howdy, howdy. That's a Jeep. We all know what's under that cover. Wow. Then she chugged away, chugga, chugga, chugga. Then she chugged away, chugga, chugga, chugga. Abandoned mansion right there. Look at that. Huh. I'm sorry, I thought you were ready.
I don't know what, I was like spaced out.
That's all right. Woohoo! Oh, that's where that goes. Okay. Wow, look at that view. Huh. Wow. Oh, the cows were the cows were mooing at us. That way? All right, I'll let you lead. Oh, I'm in second. Whoopsie. So as you could probably tell, it's quite a bit later out, and I'm heading home now. Ryan and I ended up heading back to his house. Now it's time for me to make my chilly way home. Okay. Well, guys, before I wrap up today's video, if any of you guys are following me on Instagram, you'll see that I got a GoPro on my Rovan fifth scale, and did a little bit of shredding the other day. So here's some clips of that. I hope you enjoy it. pretty much wraps up today's video. If you liked what you saw, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when my next video comes out. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.